So here I've already added the screen recorder video. So you need to go to transforms and crop the video first to crop the unnecessary part like this. Click on a check icon. Now don't forget to adjust the size, then put it at the top of the phone like this. Okay, and after that you can go to splice or blend to lower the intensity of the overlay like this. And then you can also go to mask to add some feather effect to the overlay. Here I'm going to select the rectangle and shape it like this and add some feather effect. Click on a check icon and this will be the result. So if the phone is moving, you can follow the movement of the phone using keyframe. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. Bye!